Imagine holding the world's most powerful supercomputer in the palm of one hand. No, I'm not talking about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'm definitely not talking about a bulky MacBook. I'm talking about the ghost in Apple's machine, the device that wasn't supposed to exist, yet here we are. The iPad Mini M5. For years, Apple treated the Mini like a forgotten middle child. They gave it older chips, mediocre screens, and updates every 3 to 4 years. But something shifted in Cupertino. They realized that there is a cult-like following for this 8-inch beast. Pilots, doctors, hardcore gamers, and tech enthusiasts who are tired of giant slabs. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are peeling back the curtain on everything. We aren't just talking about a chip upgrade. We are talking about a total identity crisis for the iPad lineup. Why would Apple put an M5 chip, the same silicon powerhouse meant for the iPad Pro and the MacBook Pro, into a device that fits in your cargo pants pocket? The answer is more sinister and more exciting than you think. It's about the war for artificial intelligence. It's about Apple Intelligence needing a home that is portable yet unstoppable. If you've been waiting to upgrade your old iPad Mini 5 or even the A19 Pro version, stop everything. The M5 Mini is a complete rewrite of the rulebook. In this video, we are breaking down the exclusive leaks, the supply chain secrets from TSMC, the radical new OLED display technology that fixes the one thing everyone hated about the Mini, and the price strategy that might actually make sense for once. This is the ultimate guide to the iPad Mini M5. Don't look away, because the tablet market is about to be disrupted by the smallest player in the game. The heart of the beast is, of course, the M5 chip. Now, let's get technical for a second, but keep it grounded in reality. The M5 isn't just a faster M4. It's built on the second-generation 2-nanometer process. In plain English, it means more transistors, less heat, and battery life that defies the laws of physics for a chassis this small. The M5 architecture features a brand new neural engine. We are talking about 38 trillion operations per second. Why does a small tablet need that? Because of Apple Intelligence 2.0. Apple is betting the farm on AI. They want you to be able to generate video, edit 8K footage, and run local large language models right on your Mini. No cloud, no lag, just pure local power. But power is nothing without a canvas. For years, the iPad Mini has been plagued by jelly scrolling and the limitations of LCD. That ends now. The leaks from the display supply chain in Korea are unanimous. The iPad Mini M5 is finally getting tandem OLED. This is the same technology debuted in the M4 iPad Pro. 2 layers of OLED stacked to provide 1,600 nits of peak brightness and a contrast ratio that makes blacks look like a void in space. And yes, the moment we have all been waiting for, ProMotion. 120 Hz on an 8.3-inch screen. Imagine scrolling through your Twitter feed or playing Genshin Impact at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second on a screen this sharp. It's a game changer. It makes every other small tablet on the market look like a toy from 2010. Now, let's talk about the design. Apple rarely changes the Mini shell, but with the M5, they are refining it to the point of